Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare callaloo. This is callaloo. It's usually come in a bunch like that. This is callaloo. First, we're going to wash it. Put some salt. See why it's important to wash it? Look at the water, it's dirty. Now, the rinsing water should look clean, very clean, like this. See how clean that is? Now, just remove the water. Now, we're going to strip it. You go like this and strip it like that. So you're gonna do it just like this and strip it out. You see it look like this. See the skin. This is what we're stripping this. Usually in cleaning, you're gonna see some little seeds right here. You just remove it. Apparently the gardener, the farmer, remove it because they need a seed to replant. Now after cut and strip, we're gonna cut it up in, we're gonna shred it. We're gonna shred the callaloo. Okay, to shred the callaloo, you're gonna take some small pieces like these. If you have big stem, just do like this. And then you just I don't use a sharp knife because I don't like getting cut, so you don't really need a sharp knife. You just need to straddle this because you might end up cutting yourself. So this is how you shred it. You repeat it until it's complete. So this is called shredded callaloo, and now it's ready for cook. All you have to add is just some salt, oil, some water, and some onion and pimento seed, and that's it.